So we have opened another window for another 90 days. In fact, now 3 extensions has already been given. Now this is the 4th extension basically, and this will be the last extension. So people basically should take advantage of this as far as that unauthorized construction of regularization of unauthorized construction is concerned. So now we have opened a window for another 90 days, and this will be basically the final. There will be no more further extension.
Okay.
So within this 90 days, whoever has missed out basically should file their listing with the deputy collectors.
Okay. So any data like how many regular unauthorized structures are there in Goa like this? कितने हाँ?
No, see, I cannot tell you offhand how many. As the applications come in, that's the time we know. But there must be so many people who must be not even aware that government has come up with this basically amendment as far as to regularize the unauthorized construction.
Now that this 90 days period starts from when?
19 days SCD only we have cleared, CMS cleared a file. So it will be, it will start immediately. So now 90 days basically will be informed.
So any update on this daily wages scale?
See, daily wages we have already finalized as far as daily wages is concerned. We have sent the file for vetting. The moment the file comes back from vetting, we will be notifying the minimum wages.
Media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.